Hey friends, today we're going to be representing division in different ways. Remember, division can be used to find the number of objects in equal groups. So, for example, we can come up with different equations for this array. We can see that we have 4 groups with 3 in each to give us a total of 12. And we can use that commutative property and flip-flop those factors and do 3 times 4, which equals 12. And then we can also use this array to figure out our division equation. So we have 12 total in 4 equal groups, and we have 3 in each group, and we have 12 total, and we have 3 in each group, which gives us 4 groups. Let's review some of these division words also. So remember, the big number, the total, is the dividend. What we divide it by is the divisor, and the answer is the quotient. Here are some other ways we've talked a little bit about dividing. Sometimes you might see it looking a little bit like this. We also might do a tape diagram or a strip diagram. We have the total up top and divide it into 3 different ways. We can also make my favorite arrays or equal groups as well. Tonight we're going to practice some story problems. For example, when 12 pumpkins are divided into 4 equal groups, there are 3 pumpkins in each group. The result of a division problem is the quotient. So we have 12 total pumpkins, and we are dividing it into 4 groups. So here are my 4 groups, and I will put how many in each group. So we can go ahead and put 1 pumpkin in each group until we get to the total of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And so you can see that we have 3 pumpkins in each group. And so 3 is the quotient or the answer. All right, friends, most of you during MTSS this week with me have completed this nightmare mansion of multiples. So you guys can take a little look at that. And we can practice counting up by 3s and by 2s and 4s and 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, and 9s. And that's going to help us with our division also. So go ahead into Schoology, practice our word problems for today, and then also don't forget to practice your multiples as well. All right, see you tomorrow.